So I just took this little side cover off that goes right here near the water pump stuff, and I noticed this head bolt can be turned by your hand. Come on, man. So definitely not down to torque specs. That's loose because I took that off before. What's up, YouTube? We back with another video. I know it's been a little minute since I posted anything. This COVID-19 thing got everything messed up. But right now, we're actually working on an 07 Yz450 dirt bike. Head gasket issue. On the way to Harbor Freight right now to get some Allen wrenches, but the type to go in your sockets for just take this valve cover back off. Had a little issue the first time with just the L-shaped Allen wrenches or whatever. Yeah, so we're gonna go get those tools, pick them up, get back to the house, break this bike down. Gaskets came in yesterday, so get everything cleaned up, get everything taken apart, check the piston and ring, make sure we don't need to actually go ahead and put a new piston and ring in it. It's not my bike, it's a customer's bike, so I'm doing what they want. I'm just keeping them informed on the condition as I'm going. So I'll be back with y'all in a minute when we get in Harbor Freight. So we're here in Harbor Freight. Actually, I already got what I needed. We got these Allen wrenches, metric and standard. So I'll just walk around, see what else I might need. Yeah, well, we done left Harbor Freight. Got what I needed. Been needing these for a minute. That's the standards. Allen keys, 3/8. And we got the metrics. Little tools of the trade that I ain't having to pick back up, get my tool collection back up. Cause like most of the projects I've been doing, the hardest thing is finding tools, not having the tools, you know, stuff like that. But we're about to head back to the crib. Go ahead and like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me. The more people I get, the more views I get, the more I'm able to bring y'all more content, man. The more y'all keep me motivated. When I get more reaction, I bring more to y'all. Stuff like that. So we'll catch y'all back in a minute after we get back to the crib. Back to the house. Man, actually, I got too many damn projects. Valve covers, valve cover gaskets, oil change, stuff like that. That's routine stuff. Still got to put the cal converter on here. My two bolts where the cal converter meets the muffler snapped on me, so I got to drill. Yeah, but so far she been running pretty good. Still under construction. This thing came in. Old motor off of it. Brand new motor on it. Still gotta hook up throttle cable, kill switch, put oil in it, gas in it, break the motor in. Brand new Predator 212. Do some adjustments over here. Might have to change that up a little bit. The jack shaft. That's the main project now. Gaskets finally came in for this. So go ahead and for this 07 Yz450f head gasket problem. So these bolts right here, if you can see it, that bolt right there is actually the reason why I went and bought these Allen wrenches. So we get all the fluids taken out of here, oil, antifreeze, start stripping it down. This one right here, I'm having problems finding wheels, rims, and tires, because the ones that came on it, I can show y'all. For the talk y'all to definitely show you exactly what I'm talking about. Yeah, strip this frame down. Gasket set coming soon. Brand new engine, top to bottom. Crank, piston, rings. What else I got? Brand new cylinder, brand new head. Stock bore, stock stroke, 2000 Yz450. That'll be back running soon. But yeah, the go-kart issue, if I can find it. This ain't the one. That's one of them. But this the issue I'm having. Like I told the customer, there's no point in me putting these back on. Rocks and stuff get down in there. It ain't gonna do no busted tubes again. So, Draper, if you watching, if you got any wheels, rims and tires for me, basically back wheels. I got fronts that'll work. I got fronts that'll work right there. 6 inches, I think. If I can get, if you got any 6 inches or 8s that'll fit on here. It's actually a streaker, like the orange one I got from you, same exact frame, so same lug pattern on the hubs or whatever. Let me know what you got. Give me a price, I'll come pick them up so we can get that one up out of here. And a few touch-up spots with the paint and stuff. Well, one more coat, and that'll be done. Well, let me pull this thing out and gonna get these fluids out and get ready to tear this down. Get back with y'all. So I just took this little side cover off. It goes right here near the water pump and stuff. And I noticed this head bolt can be turned by your hand. Come on, man. So it's definitely not down to torque specs. That's loose because I took that off before. But come on, man. There's no possible way that this head gasket is supposed to be sealing if I can just turn one of the head bolts with my fingers. Like, this makes no sense. It's not supposed to be like that. Excuse the dirty fingers, I am working. But look at that. By hand, have not used a tool. Only thing I've used is this 8mm that takes off this side cover. This side cover right here. And this bolt, which is gonna drain the antifreeze. Come on, man. Evidently, whoever had it, whoever he bought it from, took it to somewhere and they didn't do like they were supposed to do. I don't know, but we're gonna get it right. All right, gang, we back. As you see, I took a couple things off. I'll give y'all an update. Coil off, valve cover off. That's the springs for the pipe. That top mounting, motor mount, top hose. You see how I got the ass broke down. Pipes came off of it. This had a little water in it. Like I said, it was a head gasket issue. Let that stuff drain. Yeah. We're about to put this motor top dead center. That's the cam. If you do that, take the side covers off. The top one. I think it's a 17mm bolt. And in here, you probably can't see it well. This notch right there is gonna have to line up with another notch in the inside, which you can't see because it's not at top dead center right now. But there's some marks on the cams that are gonna have to line up. See that dot right there? How can I get it, show it to y'all? It's a dot right there on the cam. Come on, focus, focus, focus. That dot right there on the cam, and there's one on this other one. They're gonna have to be that top dead center. They're supposed to be lined up on this side, on the two outsides. It's lined up with that mark. The cams, see that is lined up over here. It's lined up on the outside over here. Now with top dead center, we're still in timer. So I'm gonna take the timer chain off, the caps for the cams, and break that down, and then I'll get back with you in a minute. Well, with a little update, we did actually get the cams out, but I'm having a problem with this bolt right here, so I sprayed it with some penetrating oil, some PB Blaster. Let that soak. Got the rest of that stuff. The guard, valve cover gasket, timer chain tensioner. That's the intake cam, exhaust cam and hardware cap. That's where we at with it right now. I guess I gotta head to Durham, to my grandparents' house, and that old truck right there, pick up some things. We're gonna let this soak while we're gone. We'll get with you when we get back. Well, we're back. Actually, I ain't even left to go to Durham yet. I tried again, and we got it off. The head is off of there. Oh, head gasket. Piston don't look too bad. What's your head right here? Clean it up, son. Might take it to machine shop, get it checked out, get it decked, surface and everything. That's where we at now. Actually got it out. Timer chain hanger. A lot of people use a wire, but I got a lot of these rubber, rubber O-rings. I don't know what they came from, but put two of those together. Got it up here. That's what we're dealing with. Like we're double gasketed too. Hold on, 1, 2. Is it 3 on here? Or is that the way it is? Nah, there's one gasket. Okay, I was making sure. Yep, that's where we at with it now. Now I'm about to take a break. Go get some lunch for the kids. Take this trip down here to pick up a couple things at my grandparents' house on the truck that I couldn't pick up yesterday on the car. And I don't know, we might vlog a little bit down there. Never know what's going on. Well, we're back, and I actually kind of got to going on it without recording. But this head bolts 1, 2, 3, and 4. I have the torque sequence for this. You torque all of them crisscross pattern to 22 pounds first, which I've already done. Now I'm about to loosen them back up and torque them in a crisscross pattern from 1, 2, 3, and 4 to 14 pounds. And then we got a couple more steps after that. After I loosen them up and torque them to 14, I'll come back to you. Okay, now we're gonna take our torque wrench and torque in a crisscross pattern down to 14 pounds. So we get this on there good. All right, and we got them down to 14. The next step is each bolt is going to have to turn 90 degrees from the current position. And that's actually going to have to be done twice. So now I'm going to turn each one of them 90 degrees, and then I'm going to come back after I do it first in the crisscross pattern. I'm going to come back and do it again. Well, I think I'm gonna break this up into 2 parts. I got the head back on, torque down and everything. It's getting late. I had a lot going on today, trying to work, monitor kids, more customers dropping off stuff, visitors, which I don't mind, but now we'll finish it up tomorrow when I get off work. It's time for business now. Steak, shish kebabs, and she's inside getting the chicken ones together. So make sure y'all like, comment, share, subscribe. I need to get these subscribers up, watch time up. If you watch this video to the end, comment and say Rise with Riley Rocks. If you watch this video, if you got this far in the video, comment below and say Rise with Riley Rocks. All right, until next time, we out.